Let it spread like a virus. Be a friend with the violence. This blood